Welcome to AI Exam Boost, the AI-powered platform designed to transform the way educators create and manage assessments. Let's walk through how you can turn your teaching material into a professional mock test in just a few minutes. We'll start by logging into our secure teacher portal. Once logged in, you're greeted by your personal dashboard. This is your command center, giving you an at-a-glance overview of your account, from your subscription details and plan validity to your available AI credits and the number of tests you've created. To begin, we'll navigate to the AI question generator. Let's start by uploading our source material. You can upload PDFs or images directly from your computer. Once the file is selected, a single click uploads it securely to the server. With our document uploaded and selected, we can now configure the test. AI Exam Boost gives you complete control. You can set the institution and class level, name your exam, and define the duration. Let's set this one for 30 minutes. You can also specify the total marks and, most importantly, the number of questions you want the AI to generate. Let's aim for 15 questions for this test. Now for the magic. With a click of Generate Questions, our AI gets to work. It reads and understands the context of your document, identifying key concepts to create relevant, high-quality questions. This process, which used to take hours of manual work, is now fully automated. And just like that, we have a complete set of 15 questions generated and ready for review. The Generated Questions editor is where you have total control. You can see each question, its options, and the AI-generated explanation. Scroll through to ensure everything meets your standards. You can easily edit the question text, modify the options, change the correct answer, or even refine the difficulty level for each individual question. Once you're satisfied with the questions, you can select all of them to build your mock test. Clicking Preview and Share Mock Test takes you to the finalization screen. Here, you can review the test one last time. Now let's explore the powerful sharing and monetization options. You can set a price for your test, turning your expertise directly into income. For this example, we'll set the price at 15 rupees. The platform automatically calculates your earnings. You can also set an attendee limit and choose your sharing method. Let's enable a public link with a secure pin. This is perfect for selling your test or sharing it with a specific group. With your test finalized, simply click to get your shareable link and pin. You can copy the link and pin to share anywhere you like. Now that our work is done, let's log out. So, how does this look in the real world? Let's go to our Facebook page and create a new post. AI Exam Boost will create a quick, engaging post and caption for you. And then simply copy the ready post, caption, and link from AI Exam Boost and paste the post, caption, and link in the new Facebook post you just created. Instantly, the platform generates a professional, eye-catching preview of your mock test, complete with the exam name, subject, price, and creator. This turns a simple link into a powerful marketing tool. Let's post it. And that's it. From a simple PDF to a professional, shareable, and monetizable mock test posted and ready for your students in just a few minutes. AI Exam Boost. Teach smarter, not harder. Sign up today and experience the future of test creation.